all familiar about coronavirus. Before we discuss the mythbusters, we should all understand about what is coronavirus, how the outbreaks did start, what are the reasons of spreading this virus. COVID-19 is the official name for the infectious disease caused by the most recently discovered coronavirus. WHO says coronavirus are a family of viruses that cause disease in animals. Coronavirus cause illness ranging from common cold to more severe disease such as two other viruses, Middle East respiratory syndrome and severe acute respiratory syndrome, are much more severe, having killed many people. Common signs of infection including respiratory symptoms, fever, cough, and breathing difficulties. Standard recommendations to prevent infections spread including regular hand washing, covering mouth and nose when coughing and sneezing, thoroughly cooking meat and eggs. Avoid close contact with anyone showing symptoms of respiratory illness such as coughing and sneezing. Even in 2011, American director produced a film about such kind of spreading virus in Chinese province named Contagious. The COVID-19 is affecting many countries and territories around the world. Many developed countries such as US, UK, France, Italy faces this corona pandemic and lost thousands of people. Worldwide, scientists tries to create a cure or vaccine to eliminate this virus. How did the outbreak start? Nearly 100,000 people across the globe had now come down with the COVID-19 virus. The outbreak starts of the coronavirus is believed to be a wet market in Wuhan, which sold both dead and live animals including fish and birds. Such markets pose a heightened risk of viruses jumping from animals to humans because hygiene standards are difficult to maintain if live animals are being kept and butchered on site. But there are still confusion exists what animal is responsible of this virus. The virus first reported in China has swept across Asia and now has sparked new outbreaks in Europe and United States. More than million cases of COVID-19 virus have been confirmed worldwide with casualties. There is various crazy conspiracy theories have been circulating that the virus somehow escaped from the Chinese lab either by accident or design. However, categorically we cannot say that through where it comes and who are responsible, but some scientists studying its genetic code have linked it to bats. There is no specific treatment, although doctors are trailing existing drugs for viruses such as Ebola and HIV. Somehow, Chinese scientists suggest on the basis of genetic analysis that the scale ant-eating pangolin was the prime suspect. Mythbusters or social media phobia. On electronic and social media phobia, people create hype about the virus, but here we need to calm down to treat this disease. So according to WHO, there are many myths like there is no reasons to believe that cold weather can kill the new coronavirus or other disease. Taking the hot bath will not prevent you from COVID-19. The new coronavirus cannot be transmitted through goods manufactured in China or any other reporting COVID-19 cases. The new coronavirus cannot transmitted through mosquito bite. Hand dryers are not effective in killing the COVID-19. Ultraviolet disinfection lamps cannot kill the coronavirus. UV lamps should not be used to sterilize hands or other areas of skin as UV radiation can cause the skin irritation. Spraying alcohol or chlorine all over your body will not kill viruses that have already entered your body. At present, there is no evidence that companion animal pets such as dogs and cats can be infected with the new coronavirus. According to researchers, the virus is new and different, so no other vaccine can use for this virus so that it needs its own vaccine. There is no evidence that regularly rinsing the nose with saline has protected people from infection with the new coronavirus. Garlic is a healthy food that may have some antimicrobial properties. However, there is no evidence from the current outbreak that eating garlic has protected the people from the new coronavirus. There is no specific age that infected this virus, so people of all ages can be infected from COVID-19. New coronavirus is a virus, therefore antibiotics should not be used as a means of prevention or treatment. To date, there is no specific medicine recommended to prevent or treatment the new coronavirus or COVID-19. According to Chris Morris, check reality miscellaneously. Some people check COVID-19 by holding their breath, but it's proof holding is not test of COVID-19. Homemade hand sanitizer recipes are also failed. According to researchers of SARS or MARS, proven that virus can remaining on hard surfaces, metal, glass or plastic from about 2 hours to maximum 9 days. Experts say cow urine is also not curable. Ikra Mughal, Pakistan.